Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Does your Roblox keep on crashing while in the game? In this video, I will show you several effective solutions. I've encountered the same issue and tried these methods, which successfully improved my Roblox gaming experience and made it smoother and more enjoyable. Let's go. There are several reasons why your Roblox might be crashing on your iPhone or iPad. First off, make sure you have the latest version of Roblox installed from the App Store. Also, ensure your device's operating system or iOS is up to date. Outdated iOS can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Aside from that, iOS updates usually include regular bug fixes and security patches, so it's a good idea to keep your iPhone updated. To check for a new iOS version, open Settings on your iPhone. Navigate to General and click on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Afterwards, your iPhone should restart automatically with the new iOS version installed. Next, try to force close the app. To do this, access the App Switcher. Swipe up on the Roblox app preview panel to push it off the screen and close it. Tap on the Roblox icon to open it back up. Another solution is rebooting your device. This action effectively closes all open apps, including those running in the background, and freeing up memory. For iPhones with Face ID, such as iPhone 10, iPhone 11, or any newer model, do the following steps. The following procedure also applies for iPhone 8 and iPhone SE. Press and quickly release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button. Once the Apple logo appears, release the side button and wait for your iPhone to restart. On the other hand, the process is slightly different on the iPhone 7. In this case, you need to press and hold both the volume down and side buttons simultaneously. Continue holding both buttons until the Apple logo appears on the screen. For those with an iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold both the sleep and home buttons at the same time. Keep holding both buttons and release them when the Apple logo appears. Next, you have to reinstall the app. While on your home screen, press and hold down the icon for the Roblox app. Select Remove App from the options, then Delete. If you are asked to confirm your selection, do so. Wait for the app to be uninstalled. The app data might be deleted, but the core game progress is safe on Roblox's servers. Now open the App Store, search for Roblox, and reinstall it. You can also check the server status. Here you can quickly determine if the issue is on Roblox's end or if it's a problem with your specific game or device. Open your browser and visit this site. If the server status is normal, you can focus on troubleshooting your device or the game itself. However, if there's a known issue with the servers, you can wait for it to be resolved or try playing a different game. If, after following the suggestions above, you continue to experience any issues, contact Roblox customer support and fill in the needed information. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.